Hey everyone, just making this quick video to tell you about our updated designs for the pliers in our 32-piece 3D printable toolset available at 3dPrintedHardware.com. First, we redesigned the print-assembled needle nose pliers and the print-assembled standard pliers. The new design has a raised pivot point that you can push to delaminate the top arm from the bottom arm of the pliers. Let me show you how this works. Here I am using a deburring tool. It's a much better choice than using a razor blade when cleaning 3D printed items. It's easier to control and leaves a really nice finish. You can find this tool in the Amazon link in the description below. After you clean the part up, simply grab the upper arm with both hands and push the button with your thumbs until you hear a crack. Then the wrench will be able to open and close. Next, we designed a print unassembled version of the needle nose pliers and standard pliers. This might be needed if your printer or filament can't print the clearances in the print assembled pliers, or if you're printing in metal. All you have to do is print the top and bottom arm and then snap them together. Printing unassembled also ends up having a much tighter tolerance than printing assembled parts, so it feels much more solid. You can find these pliers in our 32-piece 3D printable toolset available for purchase at our website, and I'll link below. Even if you don't have a 3D printer yet, you can still purchase the toolset right now to lock in the current price, which will increase as more tools are added to the set. Well, that's all I have for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.